Hey, welcome to the Task Tracking Application Build Project course, and we're going to be using Google Apps Script in order to build this task tracking application. So explore what you can do with Google Apps Script and some of the amazing things you can do with this code in order to create all kinds of cool projects that are connecting the GSuite of apps together. So in this course, we're going to be creating a task tracking web app. So Google Apps Script is always available for you to connect GSuite products together, and you can customize those connections between the various apps. Within the upcoming lessons, we walk you through creating a task tracking application from scratch to track tasks and projects into a Google Sheet, interact with the web app, have the data placed within the sheet and updated within the sheet. Please note that JavaScript is a prerequisite to this course and prior coding experience is required. Source code is also included so that you can build your own version of the application as you go through the lesson. The course covers building a fully functional web app using Google Apps Script, create a web app to track tasks within a spreadsheet. This is a fast-paced course focused on creating a web app using Google Apps Script. The focus of this course is to script. CSS and front-end styling is done using Bootstrap. Explore how you can set up a web app using Google Apps Script, connect your web app, get data from the spreadsheet, output client-side data to the web app, use Google Apps Script to connect GSuite products together and do some amazing things. Track tasks and output from that tasks to a spreadsheet, edit the spreadsheet data using the web app, and a whole lot more. If you've ever wanted to get started with Google Apps Script and see some of the amazing things that can be done with it, this course is for you. What are you waiting for? Build your own version of the Google Apps Script task tracking application today. Join now.